Yes, I'll be there in 30 minutes. This traffic has got me at a standstill. No, the meeting will not be pushed back. I've slaved over getting them the new concept. I cannot lose them to the goddamn schedule.
Hey, David.
Kids, keep it down back there.
Look out there.
Emily! Brad! I don't have time for your shit.
Go to hell.
Wait, what did you say?
Daddy, look out! Daddy! Daddy!
Emily! Where are you? Where am I?
Daddy!
Emily, I'm coming. Hold on, kid. Hello? Is anybody here? Hello?
Get out of my trailer, you goddamn zombie!
Wait!
I told Solomon to keep his filthy idiots off of my property!
Who are you?
I'm simply a watchmaker. Sometimes a clock just breaks, and then I have to decide whether to fix it or not. In your case, you've strongly misused it.
Look, I don't have time for your riddles. You're wasting my time, old man.
Don't be so stupid, David. I don't have time for your ignorance.
Daddy!
My kids, how do I find them?
Listen. Listen and they will guide you. Once you have found them, it's up to you to guide them the rest of the way.
Daddy!
I'm coming, kids, I'm coming.